What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited. I get to bring you a new token, a new project. Before I get into it, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. So let's get straight in. Here we go, guys. It's Gari.network, all right? What this is, from my view straight away, before I dive into the overview, before I dive into what it is, in my opinion, it is the next TikTok, all right? It is a crypto version of TikTok. Really cool. Now, the overview of the website, you can see it's very good graphics, all right? We got Gary Panda, about investors, Gary white paper, news, roadmap, and join the rocket ship. And down below, it says, Ching Arith is the largest on-chain social graph and Web3, powered by crypto, social commerce, social ed tech, and social entertainment. You see on the right hand side, we've got that TikTok sort of way, following, trending, send tip. The good thing about this is that I'll dive into it, all right? I'm going to show you how you can actually buy the coins, how you can earn the coins, and the fact that you can just watch videos and get these coins, all right? But before I do that, let's get in the about. Remember, all the links are down below. So their mission is to institutionalize the space and promote the growth and advance of the underlying ecosystem and technology behind digital assets and blockchain. That's from Sumit Ghosh, the founder, CEO, and chairman. All right, it's backed by the best in the industry. At Republic, they believe social tokens are an essential piece of crypto community and creator economy. Xingrai shares the more truly monetize their own engagement and experiences. That's from Andrew Dergree, and he's the managing director at Republic. Now you can get it on the App Store and the Google Play. All right, I'm going to jump into this quickly for you because I got to show you one quick thing that is going to blow probably your mind. Join their Discord, join their Telegram. Stay tuned for this video because I've got something really cool coming up. Now, it's empowering video content creators worldwide in the blockchain. So in 2020, Chingari disrupted the influencer and video creator community in India. All right, it shares 30% of the revenue. That's massive on the platform with the creators. This was during a time when content creators had limited avenues to make money from their work on the social media platform. Now with Gary, we are further disrupting the creator economy, this time by enabling video creators and digital assets to make money in the credit for sharing their content. Now in addition, we are also enabling the audience to earn with watch to earn. Now that's what I was talking about before, watch to earn. You can actually just watch videos and earn crypto. That's insane. All right, you get the play to earn, which we all know we want to do, and engage to earn. So if you're liking, subscribing, like you should be doing on this channel right now, if you're doing it on the videos and commenting, you'll actually get paid as well, and you can get the money in crypto. Super cool, right? They're going to be in-app currencies launching soon and a governance token. They've got 300 million plus global crypto users and 70 million are already in Changrai users, right? Super cool. They got commerce, wallet, NFT skills, and tipping. I cannot wait to tell you about this. So like I said, you can actually watch videos and earn Gary tokens. Like, comment on the videos on the Chingari app and earn the Gary tokens. You can earn the tokens by creating videos on the Changari. You get more tokens for earning the videos. I'm going to show you a little demo video on their Twitter of how it looks. But talking about their roadmap through August, September, October, November, December, and then into Q1 2022, you can actually see everything that they did and what they achieved. We are in that now, so we're moving through, all right, to Q2 2022, where the Gary Panda staking, the Gary minting with badges, the video NFT storefront, new music selection experience, launching in new geographics, including the US, Turkey, and the UAE, multi-language feed, Gary NFT marketplace, releases of the web, and multiplex, Latin America and Africa launch live stream skills, audio rooms, gamification of Gary, and the DAO governing. I'm super excited for this, right? Then we move through to next year. It's the Europe and US launch. You know I'm excited for that, and the release of the native wallet, and a lot more to come. This isn't the end, all right? They've got so much going on. Now, I need to show you on their Twitter the demo for this, all right? But before I do, stay tuned. I'm going to show you what their white paper looks like first of all right? It's not like any ordinary white paper. You can actually come on here, have a look through all the stuff you want to do, all right? What's the next big thing? The future of the creators. Shows you a big introduction, all right? The problem statement, all that. They've got a news article bit where you can actually go all these different blogs writing news about them, all right? Showing you that it's like Twitter. Look at their investors, all right? They've got Republic, Black Plane, NGC, Borderless Capital, Long Term, all these kind of people, all right? Angel Liz, Brian Bloom, Republic Labs, moving through with their partners. Solana, massive. We got AWS, QuantStamp, Solidified is their security audit and compliance. And the team, we got Deepak Salvi, Sumit Ghosh, Bitswani Nayak, and Aditya Kothari. All right, look at this. BBC, Bounce, Globalsoft. Some of the big names these people have actually worked with and launched, right? 20 years plus industry. First startup, 9 million revenue. 15 social media automation tools. It's ridiculous how good they are. Now, the crypto team, the deep learning crypto team, we've got Tariq Wali and Noah Thorpe. I promise you, as I'm moving through these, do your own research because they are doxed. You can see, look, Disney, CoinMaker, Sharesbuzz. It's insane, all right? Just looking at Stanford University, Facebook, Republic, all right? These are the advisory board. You got Vivek Rai Gupta, Krish Seshardi, Graham Friedman, Andrew Durgee, and Christian Sullivan, all right? Republic Capital there, seeing it. They're huge. What I'm trying to get at is do your own research on there. Look at the whole team and look at the companies they have helped and built and launched. It's insane, all right? Before I jump to the Twitter and show you that demo, which you're all waiting for, I'm going to show you how to actually buy it. Click the buy button here, and you can buy it on any of the exchanges below. We got FTX, Hugo Global, OKEC, KuCoin, Gate.io, MexK Global, BitBin, Zplay, BKEX, Bitmark, Hotbit, LeToken, CoinW, and Radium. All right, you can join their community and ask more questions if you need. All you got to do is come to this part. The links are down below. If you want to do it on KuCoin, just click the KuCoin icon, and guess what? It's going to take you straight there, and it's already going to have it played out for you, Gary to USDT, and you can just buy it on there, right? Super, super interesting, super cool. Here it is then there, bit you've been all waiting for, right? 220,000 on Twitter. Click that follow button, let him know you're from this channel, and it's at Gary Token. That's Gari Token. All right, super, super interesting. I told you if you come on here, you actually get a feel for what's going on, right? As we scroll down, like I said, there will be a little demo showing you how this app works. But first, you got to look at all these different tweets. All right, I'm super excited because it can show you here who's mining, who's earning, and everything there, right? Now, bear with me, because what you want to know is how this is going to make you money. Now, I've told you can earn, I've told you all these things, but you want to know how easy is it? Watch this. Here it is, guys. Look, all you have to do, like it says in this video, right, is put your PIN in and then re-enter your secure PIN. Now, this is literally how easy it is to make crypto on this. It's just like TikTok. Make a little PIN so you can get in, all right? Once you've got it, then you do some questions. Now, if your question is not, who is the best YouTube content creator in the world, and it's not George, I swear I'm going to get upset. All right, now I'm joking, but you need to put questions in you're going to remember, like who's the best content creator is George. And then you will get your wallet activated and you complete your KYC. Then you're in and you can start making videos, all right? You're going to get Airdrop 0.01 as well. All right, so look at this right now. A video of you dancing. You get on the wallet icon and you can make money. Really, really cool, right? There you have it, everyone. That was incredible. I'm super excited. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you on the next video.